Hi, in this video, we want to dive into the Grok image generation. It is a new model from XAI that supports multimodal input. So in this video, we won't dive into the API. I just want to show you how you can access the image generation tool on X. So from this blog post, you can see here you can access the image generation on X. As I scroll down, you have noticed here they have examples of the kind of images you can generate. So first, I'll show you how to use it on X and also compare it with Flux image generation from Black Forest Labs. So over here, you can see they have some example prompts. The image on the left was generated by Grok. Then we have Image and Tray, Flux 1 Pro from Black Forest Labs. We have Ideogram 2 and DAL-E Tray. So let's copy this prompt. I'll then go to my X account. From the left sidebar, you can see here we have Grok. I'll click it to access the multimodal chat interface. So let's paste the prompt here and modify it. Then I'll send the prompt. That will take a while. So we have 4 different versions of the image. In the same blog post, you can see here they compare the Grok version with these image generators. So let's go to Hugging Face and use Flux 1 Dev. So I'll go to the Hugging Face website. So here I will search for Flux. We can use Flux 1 Dev or use Flux Snail. So without changing any of the settings, let's paste the prompt here and run it to generate the image. We just want to compare this image with the one generated by Grok. So this is the Flux version of the prompt. As you have seen here, this image is also similar to the one they have in the blog post. So that is this one, and that uses Flux 1 Pro. In our example, we are using Flux 1 Snail. Next, we are going to try something similar to this one. So I will go back to my X account and add this prompt. As you have seen here, we have 4 versions of the image. I'll copy the prompt and try it with Flux. So this is how to get started with image generation using Grok. Thanks for watching this video.